We're David and Sarah.
At the end of 2021, we packed up our lavish Aussie lives into 4 suitcases to do a 2-year working holiday in Canada.
The awesome sights and experiences you're about to witness are the result of 2 people prioritising fun, adventure, and each other over financial security, career goals, and social ideals.
If you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming adventures. Well, good morning, everybody. Today we're going to do a road trip. We're going to go and stay in Chilliwack for a little bit, explore the national parks. I haven't done my hair yet, so don't judge.
Yeah, I haven't done mine yet either.
So yeah, we hope that you'll come along on this little road trip with us.
Our first real Canadian road trip.
Yes, it's going to be 4 hours. So we're taking that bag. We're going to take 2 overnight suitcases each, but we decided to go with that bag. In that bag there's a little bit of spices and pasta and a little bit of food items, dry food items, just because we are planning to cook and we don't want to buy those items if we don't have to, because we don't have money. This is a broke trip, okay? But we're gonna have fun, we're gonna have a good time. And yeah.
You're holding the camera on a 45.
I'm still learning this camera stuff, guys. Dave is the videographer. I'm just the very bad helper.
Whenever I see Sarah filming me, I'm looking at this. I'm just like, Sarah, really? What are you not seeing in that screen?
David's morning routine. Vitamins.
1 a day. And then you read the back and it says, directions for adults and adolescents 14 years and above. Chew 2 gummies daily.
I take my gummies too every morning. So you might be wondering, what does Sarah pack in her bag? So I've got a little bit of perfume, a scrunchie, some hand sanitizer, our camera charger, my Kindle, my headphones. I'll figure out a way to fix this, but yeah. Alright, we're getting there with this vehicle. Most of this stuff we do not need.
Yeah.
It's just that
This is our storage unit as well as our vehicle.
Yeah. Another thing we don't need.
An empty snowboard bag.
Alright, are you ready to go? It's not that cold, but cold enough to kind of carry something with you, right? Like a little jumper. But yeah, it's not too bad at all, which is nice. I don't know why there's flurries.
Starbie? We're on a road trip in Canada! Our first road trip in Canada.
Woohoo! How are you feeling driving this far in our cute little 2010 Ford Escape?
I'm feeling good. We've got a fresh split rocker cover gasket in this bad boy.
David tried to fix it, and the
new gasket came literally chopped in half. So I just squirted some RTV sealant in there, and good for a 4-hour trip.
The snow was all melted down in the town, but that's okay. On the mountain there's lots of snow, lots of slushy snow, spring snow. When you want to save money on breakfast, you eat banana. This is like a budget trip for us. The things that we're going to do in the next few vlogs is free. Come to a rest stop. We're at, what is it called? Loon Lake rest stop. and I'm just gonna go to the bathroom. It's like a little cute little rest stop, so yeah, I'm gonna go to the bathroom now. So the bathrooms are pretty good if you guys are doing a road trip from like Okanagan to like Vancouver way. Loon Lake rest stop is pretty good. It's clean, it's got hand soap and everything, so. Stop copying me.
Copying me.
That mountain is so white.
So white, Snow White. So on some of these peaks there was some people parking off on the side of the road, putting their skis on their back, and they're about to hike to the top of these peaks and do some backcountry skiing down it.
So
These guys are crazy. Like these faces are almost sheer.
welcome to the city of Chilliwack. Mountainous background. I mean, what place in Canada doesn't have a mountainous background? You tell me. Comment below. So we're gonna go to Wendys and eat. And yeah.
Hopefully it's really yummy.
Do you guys like Wendys?
These guys already knew I was coming.
So I got the Dave single, David got the David's triple.
Dave's triple.
Dave's triple, we got fries, ketchup. This is David's. I like the thing that they put on it.
Yeah.
It's a little one.
Theirs is like a baby one of mine.
Yeah.
Well, those are actually delicious.
They were really
burgers. They were really yummy.
I remember having Wendys in New Zealand when I was a lot younger, so I was like, let's try Wendys. I remember it being good.
We've done our surveys for a free sandwich next time.
We have arrived at our Airbnb. That is so big. We're gonna check it out and we are going to do a little tour so you guys can see where we're staying. We paid about, was it 4 nights that we're staying here? Friday night, Saturday night, Sunday night. 3 nights. $400 including tax and including a cleaning fee. So pretty expensive for us. But we're in Chilliwack and it's so beautiful, so.
Alright.
Welcome to our Airbnb in Chilliwack.
Never mind all this. That's just us getting our gear out of the way. Gotta keep the shoes off because this is a mansion Airbnb.
Welcome. This is so cool. It's way bigger than I thought it was going to be. But when you enter in, you got a little like desk over here. I think you can write like your welcome. Oh, it's a welcome note to us.
This is the guest book. Hosts have written a little note for the front page to welcome us.
A little bit of hand sanitizer. Okay, so we've got a little couch area over here where we can sit down and chill out. We've got some stairs leading up to the dining table. This is way too much for 2 people. Look how high the ceilings are.
I know, it's crazy.
So this is where we can sit and eat in the morning. This is the kitchen, another lounge area over here, and we can put the fire on in the morning and have like hot drink.
That's crazy.
Very cool. This is the kitchen. How do we turn the lights on? Oh, okay. So this is the kitchen. We've got a fridge, stove, microwave. I have never seen a microwave this big. That is a big microwave.
I think it's like one of those oven ones, maybe. I don't know.
I love the gold detailing. I love how it's like old but modern. Like it got like a little bit of an old feel to it, but it's like modern.
Really sort of mansion vibe.
Yeah, but it's like small but big.
Access denied.
Okay.
I don't think we're allowed in there.
No, probably not.
Maybe that's the stairs.
Wow, this is gonna be our room. This is our room.
Whoa.
Bed. We've got lots of cupboard space. Should I?
It smells
Should I do
so
it?
fragrant.
Should I do it? Oh. This is the toilet, shower. You can go in there and have a look. And then this is the laundry area. Very cool. This is, David, this is a 1 bedroom.
Yeah. It's
How
crazy.
crazy.
Like storage everywhere.
Ceilings are so high.
We even got our own vacuum, mop. Gee.
Very cool. Wow.
Right on.
Right on. That is the tour of this beautiful home. Look at that beautiful ceiling fan. Oh, so pretty. Also, we forgot to show you guys, but right outside of those windows over there, you can see some beautiful snow-capped mountains in the distance. I cannot get over how high these ceilings are. Like, it makes everything so much more spacious. Our next home can be like this.
Yeah.
Like this pillar. I like it.
It's just like a random pillar.
Yeah, it is. That's cool.
Another random pillar. They've done it very well.
Okay, well, that is a tour. We hope you enjoyed it, and we hope that you'll stick around for the next vlog. The next vlog, we're going to be exploring more of BC, so we hope you stick around, because soon we're not going to be here anymore. We're going to be somewhere else.
That's about all we've got for you today. So we're going to put the camera away for now, and we're going to settle into this beautiful new place, and then we might go exploring around Chilliwack.
Yeah, but you will see that in the next vlog. Alright, bye guys!
Bye!